Welcome to RefreshNest, your ultimate destination for budget-friendly home decor ideas. Today, we're focusing on the living room and sharing 5 affordable ways to revamp your space without spending a fortune. Whether you're looking to update your furniture, add some new decor, or get creative with DIY projects, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. 1. Rearrange furniture. Start by giving your living room a fresh new look by simply rearranging your furniture. Discuss the importance of creating a functional layout that maximizes space and flow. Offer tips on positioning sofas, chairs, and tables to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. 2. Add accent pillows and throws. Explore the transformative power of accent pillows and throws in adding color, texture, and personality to your living room. Discuss how to mix and match patterns, colors, and textures to create visual interest and tie the room together. 3. Incorporate statement artwork. Highlight the impact of statement artwork in elevating the design of your living room. Discuss options such as framed prints, canvas paintings, and wall decals, and offer tips on selecting artwork that complements your decor style and reflects your personality. 4. DIY decor projects. Get creative and embark on DIY decor projects to add unique touches to your living room. Discuss ideas such as creating gallery walls, making your own throw pillows, or upcycling furniture with a fresh coat of paint. Encourage viewers to unleash their creativity and personalize their space. 5. Refresh with greenery. Bring the outdoors in by incorporating greenery into your living room design. Discuss the benefits of houseplants in purifying the air, adding life to the space, and creating a sense of tranquility. Offer tips on selecting low-maintenance plants and styling them effectively in your living room. With these 5 budget-friendly ideas, you can revamp your living room design and create a space that reflects your style and personality without breaking the bank. Whether you're rearranging furniture, adding accent pillows, or embarking on DIY projects, there are plenty of ways to refresh your space on a budget. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating!